Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really simple, awesome technique to make some awesome money online. This is not for those unawesome people who don't want to make money online. But if you are one of those who is the awesome person and who wants to make money online, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you a really simple technique. And this is not something which can make you rich, but still it can make you some very good amount of money. You can earn up to $500 to $1,000 every single month just by using this very simple strategy. You don't need to make any content or any of all that stuff. It's really simple and most of the people of you can do it. And before we jump into the content, I would like to share with you the greatest thing or the greatest opportunity which I am personally using, or the product which I am personally using, which has really benefited and helped me scale my business to a very good extent. So if you want to be a part of that opportunity and want the product to scale your own online business, then you can check out the first link in the description. Definitely go and check it out, and if you love that product, you can definitely go and buy that product. Okay, that's really simple and really easy to use plug and play system to make some awesome money online. Now let's jump into the content. So the first step you need to do is you just need to go to Google and you just need to search for free PLR. Okay, so you can find all these websites which have private label rights products. Okay, so now PLR products are products which you can resell. Okay, so you have got the license and you have got the rights that you can resell those products. Okay, so that's something which we require. Okay, so just go to Google and search for free PLR products and you can find a ton of products which are free PLR products. Okay, so once you go to this type of websites, you can download those PLR products. So for example, I went to this website which is known as freeplrdownloads.com, and I just found this product which is related to dogs and cats. Okay, and I just downloaded this product. Okay, so that's really simple. Okay, just go to Google, search for PLR downloads, and you can find a ton of ebooks or a ton of even video courses which you can sell. Okay, so that's the first step which you need to complete with this strategy. Okay, now let's jump to the second step. Okay, so there are thousands of websites, so don't worry that you will run out of the websites, PLR websites. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now the second step is you just need to go to go and sign up for this website which is known as gumroad.com. All you need to do is come to this website, click on the products, and you can select a new product. Okay, if you are going to upload a new product for this website, so on this website I have already created a product. Okay, so you can see that there is one of the product which I have already created a page for. All you need to do is click on this new product and then you just have to follow the instructions, just like give the name of the product, give the description of the product which you will find in the downloaded zip file of the product which you have particularly downloaded from a PLR website. Okay, so that's something which you are getting from that. So just copy and paste the description, add a cover photo. I haven't added a good cover photo to this, but okay, it's fine. Okay, so and you just need to do this call to action. You can just write down buy now. Okay, so these are the only option which you can get, so you can just do it by this. Okay, so by this and just set it all the stuff. Okay, upload your zip file over here, and payment, you just have to select the PayPal option over here, and you can just receive your payments into PayPal or any other sources, because most of the sources are available in this website. So Gumroad will pay you, don't worry about that. Okay, so once you have done, you have set up everything, your page is almost ready. All you need to do is then go to this share, and then you can just copy URL. Okay, so once you have copied this URL, your landing page, and it's an extremely professional website and it has got a really professional landing page, so don't worry about that stuff. Okay, so you have got your PLR product, you have got your landing page ready through which you are gonna sell your PLR product. Now the third step is that you just have to get some free sales. Okay, you just don't need to invest money directly in this, because you are gonna make some money with the free methods, and after that you are gonna invest that money and then you are gonna scale your sales. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you just need to go to this Facebook groups. Okay, so for example, this is a law of attraction product, and that's the reason why I have selected this law of attraction group. Okay, so there are a ton of groups just like this, so you can join almost any one of them. Okay, so you can just join any one of the groups over here, and then you just have to make a post just like simple post, just writing that I have just published a law law of attraction ebook. You can check it here. All you need to do is and just provide your Gumroad link over here, and you can see your book is ready, and you just have to make this post. Okay, I haven't created this landing page really nicely until now. That's the reason why I'm not posting this for now, but once I will make a good cover photo and all this stuff, then I will be uploading this on this group. Okay, so there are a ton of groups just like this related to any of the niches. So you can also find groups in dog niche, cat niche, all the niches, whichever the PLR product you want to sell. Okay, so that's something which is done. Okay, so you have got this. Okay, and you can get almost 5 to 10 sales just with this free traffic if you post consistently for 2 to 3 days. Okay, so now you have got $10 to $20 which you are ready to invest. Okay, so then you can go to this type of website just known as shoutout.com and just select for the dog niche, as we have a product is related to dog, and you can find all these pages. Okay, so all you need to do is go to this website, and now you can just ask these pages for a shout out. Okay, so and with this website you can just buy shout outs from these pages. Just ask them for a story shout out in which they will give you a link in the swipe up. Okay, and then you can just start making money with this. Okay, this is really simple, and in this way whatever you have earned with this free methods you can scale it. Okay, so first you just need to contact the small group, small Instagram pages with less than 50,000 followers, so that you can make some $100, $200, $300 from that. Okay, so once you have done this, then you just need to target some of the bigger groups because they have a bigger price. So then once you start earning from the smaller group, you just reinvest that money into some bigger groups, and you can just start scaling it up and make more and more money out of it. This is the entirely simple strategy which many of the affiliate marketers are using, as well as many of the people who are normal people just like me and you can use and make some awesome money, because this is something which really most of the people are not doing, and that's the reason why you can start making money with this. Okay, everyone is gonna teach you about affiliate marketing, everyone is gonna teach you about all the different stuff, everyone wants to sell you their paid courses, but this is something which is really simple and you can do it almost anywhere in this world. From any corner of this world can do this stuff and start making some online income. Okay, but if you want a plug and play affiliate marketing system, which I am personally using, because I only recommend the products which I am personally using, so you can check out the first link in the description, and that's something which really works for me, and that's something which can really work for you, because it's the easiest product which I have ever used, and it's really got me some of the results. Okay, so that's the reason why I recommend that product. So if you got some value out of this video, do press the like button, smash the subscribe button, as well as you can check out other videos on my channel which will provide you a ton of value on how to make money online and all that awesome stuff. So if you want to watch this type of videos, you can check out my entire YouTube channel, as well as you can follow me on Instagram. The link is there in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.